You found your toy.
Oh, that's dumb. Why would you say that? I didn't know the head of this was like really hard. I didn't mean to drop it like that.
Oh, that's what she said.
Thank you, let's go.
That's a big ass turbo. What up, YouTube?
We're back. We're back in the shop today, man.
We back. Got old Big Hog. Here's a little bit of an update. Got the fresh tires on. Front rear. Got the maxi set now, finally. She's not looking like an old 1930s hot rod, you know what I mean? We got this new pretty windshield. Look at that.
Oh yeah, look at the tape up there, dude.
Yeah, brand new windshield. Look at that.
Oh, now it looks busted that you lifted it up. Man, it doesn't even work.
New windshield in it. Got the 2-inch drop in it. Got the intake. I mean, she's coming together. So I figured, guys, we need to bring her back to the channel. But we're gonna see what my old detailing skills still got. We're gonna do bring back to life with this paint today. We'll see what we can do. It's gonna be fun. Now I'm gonna go get real dirty. But hey, we'll see what happens. I mean, just a little hand touch-up spot right here. I mean, she still got some life in her, we can tell. So, you know, it shined up pretty nice.
You got busted right there, all scratches.
Yeah.
And that's where you did handheld with a pad.
It's kind of
damn. I don't know about you, but I see a difference on camera. Like I really do.
I mean, so I'm finna get started.
Now I know what you guys are thinking. I look like a really big baby. I went like 5 years back. That's not a bad thing though. I can be older if I want. I could be younger if I want. No, I just wanted to restart, but that's why I look like a little baby right now. Oh shit.
Oh man.
Oh damn, dude.
Make some of that cloudiness go away, folks. All right, I'll take that. So far, so good.
A lot of the cloudiness to go away.
So far, so good. All right, let's see.
I mean, there's still some deep scratches in there, but that's wet sanding right there.
Yeah, that's wet sanding, and yeah, that's not happening today. But
I mean, here you can tell the difference. You've got this crusted, busty fog right here, and then you've got all this, which is actually a lot more cleaner and clearer.
That's true.
Than on the left, you know?
It's true. At least it's got a gloss to it versus just the haze, you know? Oh, no wonder why it's cooking. I'm like, man, why is this thing rolling so fast? I'm gonna keep it about 3. Alright.
I feel like the hood's gonna be the hardest part.
Always is. Especially on something this big.
Yeah, exactly.
I picked it up to about 4. Just get a little bit more cutting action. It's not too bad, actually.
You got the wipe and shine though? You didn't even put wipe and shine on it yet.
No. And I'm still gonna polish it too.
You're gonna do polisher as well?
That's why I got the other one.
Dude, you're doing everything out here.
Let's go, bro. I mean, you gotta get truck looking, right?
Yeah. We need to fix this though. We need to fix this next.
Oh, yeah. Well, the goal is to take the grill off and reshoot this black, get it shiny again. Maybe even do this in black and then blue here, or maybe even white here, just to freshen it all up, you know, so it get that fresh look, you know?
I think a little buff can make something come a long way, man.
You're right, bro. So we'll see what happens, you know?
It doesn't say any health packs on here, dude.
Neither does bleach, bro.
You can put it in a blender. It says you can put it in a blender. Oh shit. Look, it says you can put it in a blender.
I don't think it's for you.
Rico, look! It says you can put it in a blender. Actually, bro, there's actually a blender on there, bro. You see it?
I see it, bro. I see it.
Yeah, it's a blender. So you can actually shake with, so you put it in a blender to shake it. What? It's not my fault. I'm just saying. It's like you put it in a blender. Keep away from children. Am I considered a child if I think that?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, well, maybe you should take it back. I'm sorry.
I didn't hand it to you in the first place.
Well, you're not a good carekeeper, or you're not a good carer.
Hold up, you ain't my son.
Hey, I was able to find it right there. Any kid would be able to come up and get it like that. That's not right.
Ain't you considered adult? Ain't you considered adult though?
Well, not after I shaved.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you'll let me do something in the next couple minutes, or you not trust me to do it. I know how to do it. I know what I'm doing.
What are you talking about?
On that, on buffing that.
Well, if you ever put the camera down and actually do some work, we'll be okay.
Well, if you want to hold the camera, I'll do it. God.
We gotta talk about that.
God.
We gotta talk about that.
Actually, that one doesn't work because that one doesn't have the stuff it needs to actually be able to tripod.
And why is it here?
Because I lost it. But anyways, if you guys were wondering, we're actually working on this beautiful car here pretty soon.
They don't know about the other one yet.
Not yet. But
it's
hey,
just
we've
good.
teased it before, but if you haven't seen the videos, then you guys don't know about it.
But we gotta. I mean, everybody likes that girl over there. I'm real partial to that girl too. But there's another girl that's just as mean. I think she's way meaner than that girl is.
I'm not yelling. Oh shit, I hit the camera.
Is that what you just did? You found your toilet.
Oh, that's dumb! Why would you say that? Dude, it's mobile death. Hey, I didn't know the head of this was like really hard. I didn't mean to drop it like that.
Oh, that's what she said.
That's messed up, dude.
Ah, you opened yourself up for that one, brother.
I opened myself up.
Oh! You said me too.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got to the point where we're going to compare sides. So you see that there's actually a difference going on, and it's not just us doing it because we think there's a difference. No, we're doing it for a reason because there's a gigantic difference.
Clear coat. There's still a clear coat, and you can see it before. Like all this got to be wet sanded, guys. You can still, I can feel it catching my hands.
I mean,
you can hear it.
camera's crazy though.
It's crazy.
Obviously, we get closer. You can see there's more fallout. You see all those little dots in there.
Yeah. I mean, clay bar. Something.
Looking at it from this side, though, I think the fender looks great. It looks fantastic.
I mean, even this looks pretty good. I mean, I think if I had a shine on it, actually.
Bro, I can see my reflection now. Look at me. Hi, guys.
You a fool, bro.
Well, you can definitely tell way more haziness, especially on the rear fender.
Yeah.
We've got a ton of fade still here, and we even washed this thing.
Trying our best to at least restore it little by little, and we're doing that.
Yeah. Griot? How do you even say that?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
Speed chime. Yeah, another suggestion, guys, take off anything you got that's like personal, rings, bracelets, anything, because it will turn like my shirts. Be white spotted when what's this spotted?
Are you
white
okay?
And spotted. For how far she's came and where she's at this point, I mean, look at it, guys. I mean, it's got a shine to it. So, you know, we're gonna cut it today. Next video, probably hit that interior, make it look fresh, and I might just bring that to you all at one time versus, you know, boring you guys with the buff and all that good stuff, you know. So, on that note, your boy Big Reek, your man Tyler behind the camera. Hey, please tell your friends, family, loved ones, anybody you care about, to like and subscribe to Whip Getters, because that's the only way we're gonna bring more content to you folks. So, we out. I love legend. You did this shit on purpose, little. You little. You. I wasn't doing that on purpose. I had to look at your face. You down there, Mr. Booty Hole Man. And I found Showshine. You just didn't look hard.
That's not Showtime.
What is it?
Whoa. It's something else, dude. I looked